Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you one more important topic in class 7, that is Kakatiya's dynasty. Today's our topic is the Kakatiyas emergence of a regional kingdom. Today we have to learn complete information about Kakatiyas. You know well about Kakatiyas. So Kakatiyas emperors, they ruled South India like Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema. In these three areas, Kakatiyas rulers, they ruled in the South India. Kakatiyas rulers were very famous rulers. Actually, Kakatiyas, these people were as the subordinates of Chalukyas and Rashtrakutas period in Karnataka. Under the ruling of Chalukyas and Rashtrakutas period, these Kakatiyas worked as a subordinators. After the downfall of Rashtrakutas and Western Chalukyas, so in Kakatiya people, these subordinates, they became very strong and they established their independent kingdom in Telangana, Hanmakonda place. So these Kakatiyas people, the Kakatiyas, they established one separate independent kingdom in Telangana at the place of Hanmakonda. You know Hanmakonda, present already it is in Telangana region, Warangal. See, first capital city of Kakatiyas, Hanmakonda. There, the Kakatiyas, they were established their independent kingdom. Here, so Kakatiya, in the Kakatiya emperors, there were many great emperors ruled Kakatiya dynasty. Many great rulers are there in Kakatiya's dynasty. I will tell you here, see, first one is Prola II. Prola II. He was the first famous ruler in the Kakatiya's dynasty. He was ruled from 1116 to and 1157 Common Era. 1116 to 1157 Common Era, Prola II was ruled Kakatiya's dynasty. So after that, the next ruler in Kakatiyas, Rudradeva. So Rudradeva ruled Kakatiya dynasty. So he was ruled Kakatiya dynasty thereof. After this Prola II, after the death of Prola II, Rudradeva, he became the emperor, king here. So Rudradeva, he shifted capital city from Hanmakonda to Warangal. Rudradeva was the famous emperor, he was a great king. He shifted Kakatiya's capital city from Hanmakonda to Warangal, Orgal. Present we are calling Warangal, actually the old name was Orgal. So Rudradeva, he was ruled Kakatiya dynasty from 1158 to 1195 Common Era, 1157 to 95 Common Era. Rudradeva, he ruled Kakatiya's dynasty. After that, few important rulers are there, they ruled Kakatiya dynasty. After the Rudradeva, next Ganapati Deva, he came to power. Ganapati Deva, he became the king of Kakatiya's dynasty. So Ganapati Deva period, he was ruled Kakatiya dynasty 1199 to 1262 Common Era. He was the king of Kakatiya's dynasty, that is Ganapati Deva. After the death of Ganapati Deva, next Ganapati Deva's daughter, the first time in Indian history, one is a woman. She ruled one Rudrama Devi. She was a great ruler, first woman ruler. She became the king of this Kakatiya's dynasty. Actually, Rudrama Devi, she ruled Kakatiya's dynasty 1162 to 1262 to 1289. So total 27 years Rudrama Devi, she ruled Kakatiya's dynasty. She was a brave woman. She was a brave woman. First time in Indian history, Rudrama Devi, she became very strong emperor in the Kakatiya dynasty. Same in the Delhi area also, Razia Sultana also she ruled Delhi. But there in the Delhi, some nobles not accepted Razia Sultana ruling. So few nobles they killed Razia Sultana. But here in Telangana region, South India, Rudrama Devi, she ruled 27 years Kakatiya dynasty. She was a brave lady, brave woman. Actually, she used to wear man's dress always. Generally, she called as Rudradeva. Rudradeva, not Rudramadevi. People used to call Rudradeva Rajadi Raja. She never feel like a woman. After the death of Ganapati Deva, his daughter Rudramadevi, she became the main emperor to this Kakatiya's dynasty. She ruled 27 years. After that, next Prataparudra. After the death of Rudramadevi, Prataparudra, he became the king of Kakatiya's dynasty in the year of 1289 to 1323. Kamaneda, here he ruled Kakatiya's dynasty. So these are the main important kings in Kakatiya dynasty. Once again, I will tell you. Prolatu, after that Rudradeva, after the Rudradeva, next Ganapati Deva, after the Ganapati Deva, Rudrama Devi, next after the Rudrama Devi, next one is Prataparudra. Here, many Rudrama Devi period, many subordinates they revolted. They tried to kill the Rudrama Devi. Many revolutions started Rudrama Devi period. His own relatives, Rudrama Devi's her own relatives, they tried to capture, but she defeated all the subordinates who are fought against Rudrama Devi. But finally, her close relative, Rudrama Devi's close relative, Kayasa, close relative her name is Kayasa Ambadeva. Kayasa Ambadeva, he revolted against Rudrama Devi. So a big war started between Kayasa Ambadeva and Rudrama Devi at the place of Chendupatla. It is in Nalgonda district, Chendupatla. In that place, Rudrama Devi was died. But she was a great lady and she ruled nearly 27 years Kakatiya's dynasty. But here Kakatiyas, they were the great rulers because they ruled South India, mainly Telangana, Andhra and Rayalaseema. They tried to make together as a one kingdom the Telugu people, for the Telugu language people, but they created one separate kingdom. And Kakatiyas, they used Telugu language. And Kakatiyas emperors, in their court, they used Telugu language. They gave importance for Telugu language. And the first Telugu poem like Andhra Telugu, one of the story, Andhra Mahabharata, the three members wrote in that Telugu, that is Nannaya, Tikkana, Yallana. We can call the trinity of poets, these people. Okay, these people first time they wrote Andhra Mahabharata in Telugu literature. And Kakatiyas, all their ruling administration, they used official language Telugu. So they give first importance for Telugu language. That is why these three regions, Andhra, Telangana and Rayalaseema, in these three places, they formed separate one special Telugu kingdom in South India. So Kakatiya's emperors, they ruled well. People are happy in their ruling. Kakatiyas have constructed many tanks. They tanks like a chain system. They provided full irrigation facilities and they provided water facilities to the agriculture fields. Many temples were constructed. You know, in Anmakonda, that is Warangal, 1,000-pillar temple was there. That was constructed in that Rudradeva's period. Not only, so many tanks, temples, ports, Orugallu, Warangal port, very big port also constructed Kakatiya's industry. So these, for knowing this Kakatiya's information, there many sources are there. By the inscriptions we are knowing these are many inscriptions are there in different places. For example, Bayaram in Telangana, Bayaram. And next one is Pillalamari. In this region, we will get information about Kakatiyas. And next one, Palampet. In the place of Palampet, we will get Kakatiyas people information. Their inscriptions we will get in the place. Nagalapadu. At the place of Nagalapadu, we will get the Kakatiyas, Rajas, Kakatiyas emperors information we will get. So these are the many inscriptions. Bayaram, Pillalamari, Palampeta, and it is in Kondapatla. Kondapatla, it is in the Bhutpur area. They also we will get about the information of Kakatiya's dynasty. Here, the Kakatiyas, many European traders came to visit Kakatiya's dynasty. Many European traders also visited Kakatiya's dynasty. And Kakatiya's constructions and their tanks, well planned constructions. Kakatiyas, they give the gift to the Brahmins, and many temples were constructed, and a lot of land they give to the Brahmins. Kakatiyas gave, and Kakatiyas, they organized or they gave the respect to all the religions. They patronized all the religious people. They worshipped only one goddess, that is Kakati. So this is our Kakatiya's dynasty, and finally in year of 1323 onwards, in Delhi, the Turkish Sultan ruling came. In Delhi, Sultan ruling came. So these sultans came from Turkish. So these sultans were very big army, very good army. Army strength was very good. They used new weapons. After that, after the Prataparudra, Kakatiya's downfall started. Kakatiya's rule was ended. When in Delhi, Sultan ruling was started. In the Delhi, then Sultans came to power. From that onwards, in South India, whatever the independent kingdoms are there, are totally destroyed. Okay, this is the information about Kakatiya's dynasty.